Task 1. Create a new bundle. In order to create a new bundle, you need to first tap the menu bar. Then the menu bar will pop up. From here, you tap the Create New Bundle button. On the next screen, you need to supply a name for your bundle. We tap on the text bar and type in a name. Then we tap on Done. On the next screen, we need to add filters to our bundle. Each filter represents a contact whose emails will be shown in the bundle. To add a filter, we input the name of our contact. Then we press Save. The new bundle is clearly presented in the new text in the new menu bar. Task 2. Add a new reminder. In order to add a new reminder, tap the floating action button. Then tap on Reminder. On the next screen, you need to input the content of your reminder. Type in your content and tap Save. On the next screen, you will be prompted for a time for your reminder. We choose to set a time now. Now choose the date and time of your reminder. Then tap Save. On the day of your reminder, the reminder will show up in your inbox, and at the specific time it will show up as a notification.